Good afternoon, class 10th. I would like to tell you all that I had already given my commerce students my personal notes of commerce, and we as students must be knowing that we already had given onset of unit 1, that is stakeholders of the organization. The unit name was stakeholders of commercial organization. So I know that it is a very new concept, a new topic. My 10th students must be confused, and already I had given you good notes of that particular topic, and I hope that my students might have written those topics in their fair register. I'm hoping that. So let us start with the right now today as on today 5th of May. I'm going to give you my explanation on the topic stakeholders of the organization, stakeholders of the commercial organizations. Is that clear? It is a very new term. It is a very technical term, class 10. Please, it's a humble request that pay attention towards my explanation. Is that clear? So let us start with the explanation of stakeholders. You must know what is stakeholders first of all. Is that clear? What is stakeholders? See, class 10th, stakeholders means those individual, those groups. Is that clear? Any individual or group, those who are having stake in the commercial organization. Is that clear? Stake in the commercial organization. Now, what is the meaning of stake? You must be having confusion that what is the meaning of the word stake. So stake means interest. Is that clear? What is the meaning of stake? Stake means interest. So any individual or any group, is that clear? Any individual or any group, those who are having interest in the organization, those who are having interest in the organization are known, or say stake in the organization, are known as stakeholders. Is that clear? Any individual or any group, any person, it can be, I'm using the word individual. In your language I can use any person, or we can say group. Those who are having interest in the organization is known as stakeholders. Now you will be thinking, what is the meaning of interest? Just merely having interest stakeholder ban jate hain kya? No. Here the word interest means if any individual, any group, or any person is having financial interest. You use the word interest means financial interest. Financial interest matlab if any person, any group, or any individual is having financial interest over this organization, that person, that group, that individual will be considered as a stakeholder. Is that clear? For example, banks are having financial interest over any company. Government, likewise, government, labor, media, employers, employees, trade unions, shareholders, creators, society, competitors. All these are having some financial interest on, you can say not on, over the company, are being known as stakeholder. Is that clear, class 10th? Stakeholders means those who are having, as I told you once, I should repeat that stakeholders are the individuals, are the group, or the person who are having financial interest over the organization. Means financially, if they are let us just simplify my language, means if any individual, any group, any person is getting some financial benefit from company. Are you getting my point, class 10? If that person is getting financial benefit, I'm using the word financial benefit. If any person or any group or any individual is receiving any financial benefit, means monetary benefit from company, form of an organization, that means that group, that individual, that person will be having stake over that company and will become stakeholder of that company. So it is mandatory part of the on the part of the company to satisfy their stakeholders. Each and every stakeholders must be satisfied class 10th. Is that clear? By the meaning of satisfaction means each and every stakeholders must be financially satisfied. Is that clear? From the company. Why? Because definitely वो stakeholder बना क्यों उस company का? Because he is giving some monetary benefits, he is giving some non-monetary benefit to the company, and that is why company has to pay monetary monetary returns to that stakeholders. Are you getting my point? So stakeholders are those groups, those institutions, those individuals who are having financial stake or financial interest over the company. In return, company has to give financial or monetary benefits in return. देना पड़ता है company को. Is that clear? Now let us come to the as we had done with the meaning of the stakeholders. So let us continue with the type of stakeholders. Is that clear? Well, there can be two types of stakeholders. One is internal stakeholder, another one is external stakeholder. I'm repeating, one, it can be internal stakeholders and another is external stakeholders. Is that clear? So now this is the diagram. Yesterday I had given you a diagram. It is a raw diagram I had made you just for your convenience. Is that clear? Now yesterday I had given you a good clear cut diagram so that you could have understand. So put that diagram in front of you, and it is a raw diagram I had made, don't mind. Is that clear? So it is a diagram showing various kinds of stakeholders. These are the various stakeholders of a company. Is that clear? ये different stakeholders हैं company के, जो एक company के हो सकते हैं class 10th. Is that clear? See, it is the organization means company. Is that clear? Now as I told you, there can be two kinds of stakeholder. Number one is internal stakeholder, number two is external stakeholder. So see, it is the organization, though whosoever participants are within the boundaries of this within the boundary. Is that clear? Though whosoever stakeholders who lie within the boundaries, within the boundary. I hope you know the meaning of the word within. Within the boundary, whosoever the stakeholders are lying will be an internal stakeholder. Is that clear? See, they are within the boundary. Is that clear? So who are within the boundary? Who are the internal stakeholders? See, shareholders and board of directors and employees, they are the internal stakeholders of the company. Is that clear? Why? Because shareholder and board of director and employees, they operate within the organization. Is that clear? They operate within the organization. Is that clear? That is why they are known as internal stakeholder. Now these are the participants who are lying outside the boundary. As you can see in the diagram, they are lying outside the boundaries of the organization. Is that clear? So why they are lying outside the boundary? Why? Because they are operating. It is not like that they are outside the organization. Yeah, they are operating from outside the organization, so they are not important. No, both of them, that is both internal and external, both are very important. Is that clear? Either it is internal or external, both are very important for the company form of organization. They play their own vital role, either say internal or external. Is that clear? But they are just outside of the organization. They are operating from outside of the organization and giving benefit to the organization, staying from outside, and the company is supposed to give monetary benefits to them in return. Is that clear? For example, suppliers are supplying us products. Is that clear? Competitors are competing with us and increasing our morale. Creators are giving our financial assistance. Society is uplifting our economic strength. Media is supporting us in promotion. Government is drawing laws and by directing us, it is helping us. I mean, us means in the sense company. Is that clear? And trade unions, they are supporting laborers, and they are supporting laborers and their privileges. And financial institutions, obviously financial institutions are providing us financial strength. Is that clear? Without financial institution and it is accommodation, it is not possible for company, form of organization to grow. Is that clear? And employees, you all know that what employees are doing for an organization. Shareholders and board of directors, without the shareholders and board of directors direction, it is not possible for a company, form of organization to operate. So everyone is giving their strength. See, everyone is giving their strength. Everyone. Is that clear? Either internal stakeholders or external stakeholder. So whosoever, again I am repeating, what is the meaning of stakeholder? Whosoever who is giving their interest to the organization is known as stakeholder. Interest, financial interest, those who are taking financial interest, those who are receiving some benefit, some financial benefit from company, form of organization, is known as stakeholders. Is that clear? Stakeholder can be of two type, either internal stakeholder or say external stakeholders. Is that clear? By the diagram, I hope it is clear. Go through with the go through with this explanation once, twice or thrice or many more. For any confusion, do DM me in personal. Is that clear? If any confusion arises, I will I will definitely be clearing your queries, blocks and jokes if arises. Is that clear? I hope this video is more than sufficient for you, class 10th, sorry, class 10th. And for any confusion, just DM me in personal. This much for today. Stay home, stay safe. Good afternoon.